Hello y'all, welcome back, and we have got another video. And in this video I will simply show you how you can unpause location sharing on Life360. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your Life360 app that you have installed and you're logged in with your account. Once you're there, what you're going to do is make sure you are in the correct circle where you would like to remove or unpause your sharing location. Then afterwards you can tap on this settings icon, and you will be able to land on this kind of menu options. What you're going to do is tap on this location sharing option, which is in the, and then you can see your username, and you can see this particular button right beside your username. If you tap on it, this will simply turn on the sharing, right? So if, for example, by default it's turned on right over here, you can come over here, tap on it, and you can pause your location sharing. And if you simply tap on and turn this on, you can simply unpause your location sharing on Life360. So yes guys, simply coming over here, turning this on is the option for you. And I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, do leave them in the comments below. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.